Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Donna. It's art by Donna. And today we're going to be doing the cloud effect. I saw this on Tammy Anderson's channel, and MelyD was the original artist who brought about the cloud effect. I mixed up all my paints today. And I'm going to be using all Winsor Newton and one Arteza. I'm just really using 3 paints today and the cloud paints. Cloud paints is in white. And really going to just go with the flow, make it easy. Nothing hard about this. It's just pouring my paints and relaxing. So I think we're just going to, I'll list my paints at the end. I'll put a little music on, make it easy on the ears, something to relax you, and we'll just start painting. At the end, I'll give you the close-up. I'm going to give you a little time lapse of the cloud paints. Cloud paint does take a little while before it develops, so I'll give a little time lapse and the end result. So here we start. hope it was relaxing watching that. I'm here at the end stretching it out. This is what makes all the cells pop, that final stretch. You're supposed to stretch it as thin as you can. I hope I did a good job doing that. I'm going to torch it now, and then we're going to leave it for at least a half hour. Well, overnight we'll see really what happens, but I'm going to leave it for a half hour. I'm going to do a time lapse also, so you could see that in the final stages, which is going to be just about now. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, I'm back again, and I did a time lapse, which I'll put at the end of the video. I think this really came out beautiful. I didn't get those big gigantic cells. I'm not exactly sure why, but I love the cells that I did get. I love the way this whole painting came out. We'll see if it continues to grow. I did wait about a half an hour, and this is what we have so far. And I did a time lapse on that half hour. I'm gonna take a look at that at the end of this, and we'll see what tomorrow morning brings. I'll actually at the end of the video, I'll post the or actually maybe I'll do it on tomorrow's video. I won't be able to do it at the end because I have to post this tonight for tomorrow morning. So probably the next day I'll give you a look at how this looks the following day. But I think this came great. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed what you see here. It was a fun day, and Donna from Hollywood. Oh, let's not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, paint hands and all. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification buttons, take a look at my Etsy shop, and we'll see you tomorrow. Donna from Hollywood signing off. Bye-bye now.